Hello, welcome to my channel ICT Blogs. Today we'll learn binary division. We know how to division in decimal. Let's see one. Here we divide 45 by 3. Since 4 is greater than 3, so we will take one digit. Here we put 1 as quotient, so 3 multiplied by 1 equal to 3. Write down here. Now 3 goes to 4 and remainder is 1. It sit down here. This 5 will sit down here. Then 1 and this 5 makes 15. If we multiply 3 and 5, it's 15. So we write down 5 as quotient and 3 and 5 multiple 15. So we write 15. Now our remainder is 0. Here we saw that decimal division. Now we'll learn how to do binary division. Here our divisor is 1 1. Here our divisor 1 1 and dividend 1 0 1 1 0 1. Our divisor 1 1 2 digit. So if we take 2 digit from dividend, the dividend 2 digit is smaller than our divisor. So we have to take 3 digit from dividend. Now we write 1 at quotient and 1 multiplied by 1 1 is 1 1 or 11. 1 goes from 1 is 0. Here 1 and 0. Here 1 and 0 is mean decimal 2. 1 goes from 2 or 1 goes from 2 is 1. Here we got 1 0 10, but our divisor is 1 1. So we have to put down that one there. Now our remainder is 1 0 1. Again we'll write 1 as quotient. Now we write down here 1 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 10 minus 1 is 1. Again we got 1 0 or 10 and our divisor 1 1. So we have to put down that 0 there. Now our remainder is 1 0 0. Now again write down 1 as quotient. Now 1 1 here. Now we have to subtract 0 from 1, but it's not possible. So we have to take that 1 there. First that 1 will go, or that 1 and 0 means 2, but that 1 will come here. It means 10 is 2. Subtract 1 from 2 is 1. Subtract 1 from 1 is 0. Here our remainder is 1, but our divisor 1 1, so we have to put down that one here. Now it is same divisor and remainder. So we'll write 1 as quotient and 1 1 as remainder. Now subtract 1 from 1 0. 1 from 1 is 0. So our answer is 1 1 1 1. Now see 3. Decimal 3 equal to binary 1 1. Decimal 45 equal to binary 1 0 1 1 0 1. Decimal 15 binary 1 1 1 1. Now our answer is as equal as decimal. Now we'll divide 102 or 102 by 6. Here if we take one digit from dividend, then the divisor is greater than that 1. So we have to take 2 digits. So we have to take 2 digits from dividend, because if we take 2 digits from dividend, it's 10 and divisor 6. Now we'll put 1 as quotient and write down 6. Okay, subtract 6 from 10 is 4. Now 2 will be sit down there. Now we got 42. We know that multiple 6 and 7 is 42. So we'll write, or we have to write 7 at quotient, and 7 multiplied by 6 is 42, and our remainder is 0. Now let's see what will be at binary. Okay, now here we see that our divisor 3 digit, then now we will take 3 digit from dividend. Here we see that divisor is 110 and dividend also 110, so we'll write 1, so we'll write 1 as quotient and 110 right there. Now subtract 0 from 0 is 0, subtract 1 from 1 is 1 0, subtract 1 from 1 is 0. Okay, now you have to put down that 0 is there, but our divisor is still 0, so we have to put down that 1 is there. But if we have to put extra digit from dividend, write 0 in quotient. Now we have to put down that 1 is there, but if we take extra digit from dividend, we have to write 0 as quotient. So we write 0 as quotient and that one will put here. But still it's 1. We have to put down that one here. But it's also extra digit we have to put down here, so we have to write another 0 as quotient. Now 1 put here, but still it is less than divisor, so we have to write down that 0 here. But it's also extra digit we have to put down here, so again we have to write 0 there. Now the 0 will put down here. Now it's same as divisor. Now we will write 1 as quotient. Now 110, 1 0 goes from 0 is 0, 1 goes from 1 is 0, 1 goes from 1 is 0. Okay, now 6 equal to 110, 102 equal to 1100, 11, and 17 is 1001. Now our answer is as equal as binary and decimal. Okay, another division in decimal. Here our divisor is 4 and our dividend is 143 or 134. If we take one digit from dividend, it's less than 4, so we have to take 2 digit from dividend. Now it's 13 greater than divisor. Now we know that 3 multiple 4 equal to 3 multiple 4 equals to 12. So we write down 3 as quotient. Now 12. Subtract 2 from 3, 1. We put down 4. Now we have to put down that 4 is there. Okay. Now 14. Again 3 as quotient. Now 12. Here subtract 2 from 4 is 2, but the remainder is less than dividend, so we have to write down here a point to give here extra 0, so we have to write down a point here to give remainder 0. Now we got 20. We know that 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Okay, our remainder is 0. Now let's see what's will happen in binary. Our divisor is 1 0 0 and our dividend 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. Here our divisor 3 digit. Now we have to take 3 digit from dividend. Here we see that if we take 3 digit from dividend it's equal to as divisor. So we write down 1 as quotient, and okay, 0 goes to 0 is 0, 0 goes to 0 is 0, 1 goes to 1 is 0. Here we have no remainder, or we got 0 remainder. Now we have to put down z0 here, but still our remainder is 0. So put down, we have to extra digit from dividend. We know that if we put down extra digit from dividend, we have to write 0 as quotient. But our remainder still 0, so we have to put down that one extra digit as remainder. Here we write down extra digit from dividend, so we write down 0 here as quotient. Now our remainder is 1, so we have to put down extra 1 from dividend. Since it's extra digit, again we have to write down extra 0 as quotient, and that one we put down here. But our divisor is 100 and our remainder is 11. Here our divisor are 3 digits, our remainder 2 digits. So again we have to put down that 0 as remainder. Again we'll write down 0 and that 0 put down here. Now we write 1 as quotient and 100. 0 goes from 0 is 0. Now 0 goes from 1 is 1. Now our remainder is 10, but our divisor is 100. So we have to put down extra 0 here. So we'll write point in quotient. Now write down 0. Now 1 as quotient and 100 or 100 as remainder. Okay, let's see. 4 decimal 4 is 100. Decimal 134 equals to binary 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0. Decimal 33.5 equal to binary 1 0 0 0 0 1.1. Thanks for watching this video.